There has always been gossip, even animals gossip. But we haven't always been good at math. So, be so good as to make a program that processes the gossip and finds the biggest ups and downs. Make a C# function that takes an array of numbers and finds the largest and smallest of them, and their difference. And as a bonus, you can also specify their positions in the array so that we, like the ancient gossip mongers, can find them and can uncover their secrets. Let's dive into the code to see how it accomplishes this task. At the beginning of our function, we initialize some variables. We set largest to the lowest possible integer value using int min value and smallest to the highest possible integer value using int max value. These initial values ensure that any number encountered in the array will be larger than largest or smaller than smallest during the comparison process. Now, we enter a loop that iterates through each element of the input array. Inside the loop, we perform comparisons to find the largest and smallest numbers. If the current number is larger than the current largest value, we update largest with the new number and also store the current index in largest index. Similarly, if the current number is smaller than the current smallest value, we update smallest with the new number and store the current index in smallest index. Once we finish iterating through all the numbers in the array, we have identified the largest and smallest numbers, along with their respective positions. To calculate the difference between the largest and smallest numbers, we simply subtract smallest from largest and assign the result to the difference variable. Lastly, we construct a human-readable result string that summarizes our findings. We include the values of the largest and smallest numbers, their positions in the array, and the calculated difference. This string is then returned as the output of our function. And there you have it. Our gossip processor function is a powerful tool for analyzing numerical gossip. By processing an array of numbers, it identifies the largest and smallest values, their positions, and even calculates the difference between them. With this knowledge, you can now knock out the gossip mongers and become the master of numbers. Thank you for joining us today, and happy gossip processing!